The mud adder, also known as the rough-scaled death adder, is scientifically named Acanthophis rugosus. This venomous snake is found in the wetlands and muddy areas of northern Australia and parts of Papua New Guinea. The mud adder is known for its potent venom and its ability to blend seamlessly into its environment, making it a formidable predator in its habitat. Physical characteristics. The mud adder is a relatively small snake, typically measuring between 50 to 70 centimeters in length. It has a stout body, a broad, triangular head, and a distinct tail tip used for luring prey. Its coloration varies, often blending with its muddy surroundings, ranging from shades of brown, gray, and olive to almost black. The snake's rough, keeled scales give it a textured appearance, aiding in camouflage. The mud adder's eyes have vertical slit pupils, typical of many venomous snakes. Habitat and distribution. The mud adder is found in the wetlands, swamps, and muddy areas of northern Australia, including Queensland and the Northern Territory, as well as parts of Papua New Guinea. These habitats provide the snake with ample cover and an abundance of prey. The mud adder's preference for these moist environments distinguishes it from other members of the death adder genus, which are often found in drier regions. Behavior and diet. Mud adders are primarily nocturnal and ambush predators. They rely heavily on their camouflage to remain hidden while waiting for prey to approach. Their diet consists mainly of small mammals, birds, frogs, and lizards. Mud adders use their distinct tail tip as a lure, mimicking the movements of a worm or insect to attract prey. When a potential meal comes within striking distance, the snake delivers a quick, venomous bite to subdue it. Reproduction. The breeding season for mud adders generally occurs during the wet season when food is plentiful. Females give birth to live young, typically between 10 to 20 offspring, after a gestation period of several months. The young are independent from birth, fully equipped with venom and the instincts necessary for survival. Like many other snakes, mud adders do not provide parental care, leaving the juveniles to fend for themselves. Venom and human interaction. The venom of the mud adder is highly toxic, containing neurotoxins that can cause paralysis and, if untreated, potentially death. Despite the potency of their venom, mud adder bites are relatively rare. Due to the snake's reclusive nature and the remote locations they inhabit. However, when bites do occur, they require immediate medical attention and administration of antivenom. Public education and awareness about the presence of these snakes in wetlands and muddy areas are crucial for preventing snake bites. Conservation status. The mud adder is currently listed as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, local populations may be affected by habitat destruction, climate change, and human activities such as agriculture and urban development. Conservation efforts focus on protecting the wetland habitats crucial to the survival of mud adders and raising public awareness about the ecological importance of these snakes. Conclusion. The mud adder is a remarkable example of adaptation to wetland environments in northern Australia and Papua New Guinea. Its distinctive appearance and specialized hunting techniques make it a unique and important species within its ecosystem. Despite its venomous nature, the mud adder plays a vital role in controlling populations of small mammals, birds, and amphibians, contributing to the ecological balance of its habitat. Through continued conservation efforts and increased public understanding, the mud adder can be preserved, ensuring its role in maintaining the biodiversity of wetland ecosystems.